Good morning guys! Magluluto tayo ng breakfast. Nag-fry ako ng egg, salt, bacon, magpa-fried rice naman tayo. Gagamitin natin yung mantika kanina sa bacon para malasa. Garlic, corn and green peas, rice, leftover rice, oyster sauce, salt, sugar, pepper, and then mix lang. Then lagyan natin ng spring onion, butter, isang kutsarang all-purpose flour, then milk, evaporated milk, cheese, and then cheese sauce. Diba? And that's it. Ready na ang breakfast natin. Enjoy!